Dun, 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 dun. Sail away, sail away, sail away. Sail away, sail away, sail away. Sail away, sail away. So, hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Greetings to all the people around the world. In this video, I am going to check something if it's really true. Alright, so I will begin by doing an ng serve. Oops, ng serve. Sail away, sail away, sail away. I 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 sail away. Alright, so let's do some observables. So, observable one, observable number. Let's do one. This is going to be an of one, and then we're going to create another observable 2, and then I'll create 3. And then next is we want to get the value of one async, but this one, yeah, I will put, because observables needs to have dollars here. Yeah, this is like another religious group to just put dollars at the end of your uh, of the observable name. Right, so let's have it run. Set away, set away, set away, set away, set away. And I'm on shine. Right underneath, so sweet and so young. Up in my head and under my friend. Na, 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 na. And it's a time. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Subscription. Dong, do, do, dong, do, do, dong. I really hate that song, but I got last song syndrome of it. Yucks. Then the moonshine, and really shine a light but naked, so sweet. Yucks. This that subs for each, then sub dot unsubscribe. Alright. And then we have a running app already. We must be careful not to show something that we don't want people to see. Localhost, yeah. SLOA. So we have 1, 2, 3 because we are doing an async here. Na, 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 na. All right, so let's try this. Um, can we console.log this one, or is it gonna give me uh, a value of 2? No, right? It will give you this one, a subscribe. But if a function is expecting or receiving an observable as a parameter, that, like for example, if I'm gonna create a um where is the yeah if I'm going to create a not a new file, how to open the terminal here, when view terminal, sail away, sail away. Yeah, view terminal, right. So if I'm going to ninja generate component planet standalone, I standalone. I really like standalone. Really like standalone components. Yeah, because I think I already explained this in my previous video. So just search for that video. I'm not gonna explain this here again. So let's use that component app planet. So it doesn't appear because we need to first import it. Planet component. So now it's back. Then we want to add a property, an input here, um, planet or um, country, country maybe, or ocean, ocean. Then it's going to receive an ocean observable. So this is the ocean here. Ocean is an observable of number. Okay, and new observable. Is that our number? Okay, so that is the ocean, but we want to have an input here. Input ocean, and it is an observable of number. And then we'll follow that, and then we'll add that. So this ocean is not an initializer. So let's initialize it so that it will not get sad. Alright, number. In here, we want to then display it. The ocean async. But let's style this to have a background color of blue, and then the font text color or just color of white. Okay, all right, so let's see here, it doesn't show anything. Planet works, Then here we want to pass the ocean is equals to this ob2. Yep, it's passing the ob2. Yeah, because it was expecting an observable, and it really just depends on how it's going to dissect or use the observable inside the client component or function or service that is using the observable. Yep, and then we can pipe this one here. We can tap our result console or dot log, then import that, import, and then here let's say, oh, I'm about to go to the ocean, and it's going to display here. I'm about to go to the ocean. And this kind of scenario here, well, we're still displaying. But what if we don't display? How can we have it? How can we display it? No, not really display. How can we use it here? If I just comment this out, then want to console.log this one, or can we async that one here in the component? So let's say const x is equals to this ocean async await. Is there an await like that? Or no? How do we convert an observable to a value? Convert observable to a value. And then you have to map, right? Can you map? No, you cannot, right? Okay, let's try this console. Yeah, I think the theory that I receive is not really. No, not. I think we're not gonna use it there. Let's try it here. So let's try the ob3. So const x equals to this dot ob3. Yeah, console dot log x. So yeah, it's console logging an observable. But if we pipe, then map result was to this return result, and then this one, the one, yeah, it's still not giving me 3. How can we get a 3? How can we convert that to a, how can we get the value of an observable? I think no, right? Can 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 operator to return a value from observable. How to return value from function with has observable assumption inside, huh? Sail away, sail away, sail away. Okay, let's try a take one. Can we take one? This one? Take one. Sail away, sail away, sail away. Sail away. It's still an operator. Alright, to promise. Okay, so let's convert this to promise. Turn observable to a promise. Turn observable into a promise. Convert promises, conversion to promises. Sail away, sail away, sail away. Sail away, sail away, sail away. Yeah, you can await. So hold on. So this one here, let's just await. Await. Remove unnecessary await. And heaven shine. And it is all right that is so sweet and so young. Alright, so hold on, let's try. Convert observable to a promise. Can you give me a right answer? Ultimate guide to how to convert observable to promise. I think it's as promise to promise. Okay, so to promise. To promise is deprecated. To promise. What is this? It's deprecated. The declaration is marked as deprecated. Replace with first value from. First value from. How do we use the first value from? First value from observable to promise. Yeah, the to promise. How to use the first value from. Chill away, chill away, chill away. First value from. Wait, first value. Okay. So it's gonna be like this. Await first value from x like that, and damn, um, is there an async? Can you async? And then this one. Can you async an on init async? Yeah, you don't. You shouldn't do this in the constructor. You should do this in this one here. Why is it unsubscribing in the on init? Should be the on destroy. Alright, on destroy. Yeah, so map is not the answer because it's still an operator, it's still an observable. How do we convert an observable into a value? Convert observable into a value. I are so if yeah this one if we even like subscribe, what is the result of res? So the result is 3. So if we do it like that, so what is the value of x? It's a subscription. Yeah. Uh, next, like that, it's the then error here. The other one is finally, right? What's the other one? Oh, observable next. What's inside of this again? Should be oh yeah, here. Observe next error and complete. Yep, sorry. Supposed to be complete. And a moonshine. Um. Convert. Yeah, convert unobservable to a promise. Convert observable into a promise. Convert observable to a promise. Last value from x. Right. X is a it's now a subscription because we put a subscribe in there. So if you do it like that, and then let's await, and then const z is equals to like that. Can you do an async and an on in it? So let's see if it prints 3 of 3. Background red color gold. Na, 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 na. Yeah, it displays 3. Yeah. And do we need this take one here? Oh, if we add plus 2, is it gonna be 5 now? Yeah. So you map it. So what if we just just do an observable? Yeah, so you can last value from a sync, and I believe if it's like this, do we still need to unsubscribe? No, no, right? Uh, right. So let's see, search for articles. How to avoid. What are the alternative to avoid memory leaks in oh, in RxJS observables in components in Angular components. Right. So two best ways to prevent memory leaks in Angular. This was written on July 26. I don't know what's the year, and I don't know if it's still red. Oh, so oh yeah. No, 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 no. Okay, let's read. um, Angular and RxJS. RxJS is a very powerful library for reactive programming, providing benefits such as high quality API flexibility, and in general, it makes programming easier. But RxJS is not a silver bullet, and it comes with a few challenges which if not handled properly will cause poor user experience or over the application or even the application to crash. One of these challenges is memory leak. Memory leak in Angular. Before jumping straight into how to avoid memory leaks in Angular, let's first discuss what a memory leak is. A memory leak is a type of resource leak caused by poor management of memory allocation in a way that is cleared from the memory when it's not needed anymore. The memory leak is one of the worst problems developers could have since it is very difficult to debug and catch. What is even worse is that memory leak is not a bug that functional tests would catch, which highly increases the chance for the application to be deployed to production without a sign of a problem. Respectively, this would lead to slow performance or even a crashing application. In the context of Angular, most often memory leaks are caused due to bad management of observables. For example, have you even seen code like the example below? Well, this is arguably the most common way of causing memory leaks in Angular, and I admit that I have made this mistake in my early days when I started using Angular. Yeah, so a lot of people are doing this and not unsubscribing to it. All right, so yeah, where are we right now? Okay, so let's see two ways how to prevent this major pitfall when using Angular. The Angular async pipe. The recommended approach for handling observables in Angular is by using the Angular async pipe. The async pipe subscribes to an observable and returns the latest value it has emitted. The async pipe marks the component to be checked for changes every time a new value is emitted. When the component is destroyed, there is no need to unsubscribe because the async pipe automatically unsubscribes, preventing memory leaks. In addition, the async pipe makes the code more readable. This is an example of the usage of the async pipe. Yep, we are doing this. Okay, so right as on destroy in a combination with take. Oh, what's this? Is this the other topic? On destroy in combination with take until. In cases when the async pipe is not a good solution, then a manual subscription is required. In addition to preventing memory leaks, it is mandatory to unscribe properly from observable. For example, the RxJS take until operator is in combination with destroy subject can help in this case. Let's see how. Yep, I think a lot of people already know what this is. It just needs to destroy. Oh, what's this? Take until, yeah, the take until, this destroy. Destroy next, complete. Actually, I don't like this approach. Okay, so we can see from the example above that we can implement the onDestroy lifecycle hook. In addition, we know from RxJS documentation that take until operator completes the stream when it's provided. Observable emits a value. In our case, we provided the destroy stream as input to the take until operator. When the component is destroyed, destroy emits a value that will clean the subscription and thus prevent a memory leak. In addition, the example below shows if we have multiple subscription, we just need to add to each one take until this that destroys, which guarantees that each subscription will be clean when the component gets destroyed. Right. Uh, yep. Okay, in summary, today performance is a crucial asset for each application in terms of user experience. Consequently, preventing memory leaks is vital. Unfortunately, the RxJS library can be easily misused when working with subscriptions, which can cause memory leaks. We demonstrated two ways of correctly working with RxJS that prevents memory leaks by using async pipe or on destroy in combination with take until. So yeah, this was not mentioned. We are not subscribing to it, but I'm so sleepy. Okay, so I think that that's it for now, kids. Yeah, that is it for now. All right, so ciao. Oh, hold on. Yeah, just ciao. I'm so sleepy.